So today we are interviewing Kaylease Hunter. She is 1 year old. So yeah, Kaylease. So Auntie want to know, how is it being a baby? Please don't fall. I would like for you to sit down during this interview, please. Can you sit down during this interview so you don't fall? Thank you. So Kaylease,
Okay.
how is it being a baby? I'm sorry for laughing, but that's hilarious. I didn't know it was that difficult and that hard. So, is it hard being a baby? Like, how is it? Is it hard? Is it easy? Is it like, I got this? Oh, okay. Okay, second question. What are you going to do for your second birthday? Because I know a lot of kids, they go through this sort of era called the terrible twos. I'm talking, please. Thank you. Hey, I said sit down during this interview. I don't think it's safe to stand up and dance on the bed. But there's this thing called, I guess, terrible twos. And so I was wondering, do you think, are you going to enter into the terrible twos? Or are you just going to be a good, chill 2-year-old? Because your birthday is going to be in the next 7 months. So you're hilarious. You know you're a comedian. All right, so you're going to be chill. Oh, okay. So what are you going to tell mommy?
Mommy.
Yeah, but what are you going to tell her?
Don't try it.
Oh, okay.
I don't remember to put it away.
Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense.
I tried to do.
Oh, please, young lady, please. It's more appropriate to sit down during an interview. It shows respect to the interviewer. The third question. I'm talking. Oh. Hey, this is not food. Okay, I'll give you a snack after the interview, but I want your full undivided attention right now.
Baby.
Are you gonna put it in your mouth? Are you gonna put it in your mouth? Don't put it in your mouth. Here. Question number 4 is, what's your favorite color? What's your favorite color, mama? Purple. Okay. That's a nice color. I love that color. I think that's your mom's favorite color, isn't it? Isn't that your mom's favorite color? Yeah, isn't that your mom's favorite color? Oh, okay. What's your favorite food? I don't think that's a food. Is that your favorite animal? Is cats your favorite animal? Are cats your favorite animal? Okay. But what's your favorite food though? What's your favorite food? Huh? That's not a phone, Kaylease. That's milk. Okay, can you sit down for me? So, Kaylease, you still haven't answered the question though. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food though? What's your favorite food? Why are you just rubbing on my leg? Is it hairy? You're tickling me. Okay, so stop, Kaylease. It tickles. So, okay. So, next question is, you're tickling your bear? Yeah. Okay. Next question is, do you know how to count? I know a lot of 1-year-olds, they're very advanced. They're counting, they're reading, they know their letters and their colors. What do you know?
2 hours later.
Oh, okay. I don't know what that means. I'm so confused. Do you know your numbers? What do you know, though? Okay, you're getting a little distracted. You're spilling milk all over Auntie's blanket, and I don't think that she'll appreciate that when she comes home from work. I need to ask you a question. Can I ask you a question?
Boy, if you don't get...
You want milk? Okay. Are you gonna behave? Okay. What are you most excited about when it comes to learning? Oh, okay. Books. Okay, you like books. Do you like reading? Do you like coloring? Oh, okay. So, I know this is a little early because usually this question is asked to kids who are in 1st to 12th grade. Okay, are you ready for this next question? What do you want to be when you grow up? What do you want to be when you grow up?
A
truck driver. Oh, that's a crazy look. Okay, I was not expecting that answer. I heard truck drivers earn a decent salary, but why do you want to be a truck driver? Oh, that's okay. Is it because you just want to be able to, travel to different cities? You just want to travel to different cities and stuff? To different cities, right? Okay. And last but not least, I just want your outlook. How do you feel right now? How's your day going? How's your day going? How's your day going, though? How's your day going? Talk to me. How is your day going so far? What else? Well, that's it for today's questions, I guess. This is episode 1 of Interview with Kaylease. What do you have to say before we end this interview? Okay. Well, can you say goodbye at least?
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Say see you next time. Say see you next time on the Kaylease Show. Girl, what are you doing? You're about to fall off the bed. Oh my gosh. Can you... Bye.